students. I am your GK teacher, and in last topic I discussed about chapter 49, I am a good listener. Chapter 49, I am a good listener. And in this you will see that I told you listening is the capacity when you listen others, what are they speaking, you listening. So listening is the good quality. And I told you about many things. When you are listening to somebody completely, attentively, then you are listening not only to the words but also to the feelings of what being conveyed. Not only you are listening to other person, but you are understanding feelings of that person. And but also to the feeling of what is being conveyed to the whole of it, not part of it. It is written by the Sidhu Krishnamurti, philosopher, speaker and writer. And you know the tips for listening and speaking. Here are 10 tips for you to be a good listener and a better speaker. Use hand gesture to convey what you are saying. Use correct words. Use the right tone of voice. Use your face to convey your feelings. Be clear about what you mean. Listen if the person questions you. Respond to the speaker. Speak in a clear and slow voice. To take turns to speak. These are the basic manner 10 tips for being a good listener and a better speaker. Play thumb carrot to polish your listening and expression skills. Play Chinese whispers and sharpen your listening skills. Enjoy when the word whispered by the first student may drastically change and end up with a funny surrounding message. So this is the chapter 49. Chapter 49 is the I am a good listener, and I will take revision from chapter. This is from chapter 1. This is my India. This is my India. Chapter 1. Revision. Revision 1. This is my India. Read these amazing facts about India and feel proud. Read the India culture. The Indian culture and traditions are ancient, dating back several thousands of years, and till today the civilization lives on, which makes it of the oldest still continuous civilization in the world. India is a land of inventions. Some of the most notable inventions are the zero, buttons, cotton cultivation, chess, shampoo, Ayurvedic medicines, yoga, ruler, radio, wireless communications, binary coach and fiber optics. And yoga has been practiced for more than 5,000 years, and in the recent decades, the global interest in this form of healing and activity has massively increased around the world. There are at least 454 actively spoken languages and 22 officially languages spoken in India. How much language? 454 actively spoken languages and 22 officially languages spoken in India. India is home to the second largest English speaking population in the world. More than 70% spices of the world come from the India. Indian households hold 11% of the world's total gold. India has more people using the internet than the entire population of US. So this is the chapter. Here it is given that you have to read about the India and you will feel proud we are living in this country. So chapter 1, chapter 2, first Indian women. 2. Indian women have been pioneers in various fields. Identify these Indian women achievers using the given clues. First woman president of Women's General Assembly, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. First Indian woman to win Booker Prize, Arundhati Roy. First woman ambassador, Miss C.B. Muthamma. First woman air vice marshal, that is the Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. First woman judge in Supreme Court, Fatima Devi. First woman Lieutenant General, that is the Punita Arora. First Indian woman mountaineer to scale the 7 continental peaks, Premlata Agrawal. First woman governor of independent India, Sarojini Naidu. So this is the first Indian woman, and you have to write in the copy. If you are not completed, you have to complete. Now come to the chapter 3rd, Handicrafts of West India. So I think all of you completed chapter 2, First Indian Women 2. Now come to the chapter 3, Handicrafts of West India. Handicrafts of West India. So India is rich in culture and crafts well depicted in its handicrafts, be it decorative pieces, jewelry or clothes. The handicrafts are famous the world over. Identify some of these well-known handicrafts from the western states of India. So first one picture is given here, and you have to write from which places it found. Which place it found. First one is the G, Abla Mirror Embroidery, Gujarat. Second one here, diagram you can see that, and second one is the H, Zadu and Kundan Jewelry, Rajasthan. Then third one is the handmade Kolhapuri leather footwear, Maharashtra. Then next one, this diagram you can see that it is Pichwai embroidery paintings, Rajasthan. M, that is Chopra Kosa silk sari, Maharashtra. And that sixth one diagram you can see that this is the Rohida wood bowls, Rajasthan. And seventh one, that is the Bisholim village poetry, Goa. Then A, that is the Masuria or Kota Duria cotton wave, Rajasthan. Then 10th one is the Pathani silk wave sari, Maharashtra. And Rohida wood bowls, Rajasthan. Next one, 11th is the H, Jadoo and N, that is the Takori fabric, Gujarat. And 12th, that is the Lipan mud clay relief for Gujarat. And 13th, that is the seashell craft, Goa. And 14th is the J, that is the croquet and lace work, Daman and Diu. And 15 is the tortoise shell carving scraps, Daman, that is the tortoise shell carving crafts, Daman and Diu. So this is the handicrafts of West India, where it is, which place made, and you will take revision of chapter 1, 2, 3. You will take revision of chapter 1, 2 and 3.